You have been faithful to the cause. We expect that not less than what you guys have agreed. Congratulations for what you did yesterday. I know you were there up to late. We want to, again, to ask you guys to make sure you push, because again, now you have become more of our police officers who are taking, the duty on behalf of the counties as well from the government. We want to, again, I want to say this as a chairman, again, at the COG, as the chairman of resource mobilization. Those resources you guys are looking at, how we wish that the counties would get them on time. The only thing I want to say is that, Umtata, you know, you're a fighter in those courts, and that's why you could be better than other lawyers. But again, we respect. Please proceed. Yes, for sure.
Please proceed carefully.
He did go to School of Law, but he does it very well, Mr. Chairman. We must, where credit is due, let us give it. But Chair, I want to thank you again. We are ready to appear before you and another committee of Parliament. I've been in Parliament. We have grilled people. We have summoned people. Therefore, when I'm being summoned, I'm happy to appear before this committee. There is nothing about it. I'm ready to be here and answer all questions and account for every penny which comes to Kisii. Thank you.
And as I allow Senator Onyonka to close, how many members of National Assembly do you have in Kisii County?
Constituents, we have 9, Chairman.
And there are others who are nominated from Kisii?
Yes.
I want to send you to your members of National Assembly. Go and have a conversation with them. Because right now,